This activity will work on core strength, proximal stability, upper extremity strength, all of which are necessary for fine motor activities. We are going to be squatted and walking around crouched like this. We're going to be having our books spread around on the floor. So what you're going to do is you're going to walk around balancing a pile of books on your hand. So you can do this starting with your non-dominant, but the real one that I really want you to work on strengthening and holding that pile of books is with your dominant hand, the hand that you use to write and draw and color with. So then ideally you'd have these spread around further, but to make this video I have to have them relatively close. So we'd walk over to here, pick up the book, and add it on top of our stack. Now the challenge is to keep this balanced so that they're not falling over as we're walking. This can be a pretty tricky part. And I'll walk over here, pick up another book, and add it on. So we're challenging our balance, our vestibular system, our visual system, still balancing. We got over to the last book, so we'll pick it up, add it on the stack, and then maybe we have a designated finish position, or we can just enjoy the fact that we just balanced a stack of books. We might not get it on our first try, but we can try more times, and the more times we try, it might get easier. If we don't quite succeed today, we can always come back to it another day. Anyways, have fun, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.